Fred Haas Toyota World is the #1 automotive dealer in Texas because we know price sells cars. Plus, it's Fred Haas's goal to save every buyer $2,000. Honesty, integrity, and customer service. That's Fred Haas Toyota World. Here's the vehicle for you.
Turn your family adventures green in a Toyota Highlander Hybrid. Its do-anything attitude means your next favorite memory starts as soon as you get inside. And its comfortable interior means everybody stays happy. There are 4 Highlander Hybrids, LE, XLE, and Limited. Wherever you're headed, you'll get there green and easy. The Highlander Hybrid pairs a 3.5-liter V6 with 2 electric motors to create 306 total horsepower. And stop-start technology means you won't waste gas at stoplights on the way. 5 USB ports, an available rear entertainment system, and seats that feel like they came from a Lexus mean the trip is just as fun as the destination. Push the Eco button and your Highlander Hybrid automatically modifies throttle response for optimal fuel economy, giving you up to 30 miles to the gallon in the city. You'll travel safely too. The Toyota Safety Sense P safety package will see to it. It's standard equipment on all Highlander Hybrids. Lots of color and trim options mean you can design a Highlander Hybrid all your own. The Toyota Highlander Hybrid. It's ready to go places.
Fred Haas Toyota World has been a hallmark of our community for more than 40 years. And with over 1,200 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock, we're sure to have what you're looking for. Come experience the Fred Haas Toyota World commitment to customer satisfaction. We're easy to find on I-45 North at Louetta, just 2 miles north of 1960.